मेरे माध्यम में समाए हो, मुझे प्राणों से प्यारे हो, मुझे प्राणों से प्यारे हो, मुझे प्राणों से प्यारे हो, नित माला जपूं तेरी, मेरे दोष भुला देना, नित माला जपूं तेरी, मेरे दोष भुला देना। गुरुदेव कृपा करके मुझको अपना लेना, गुरुदेव कृपा करके मुझको अपना लेना। मैं संतों का सेवक हूँ, गुरु चरणों का दास हूँ, मैं संतों का सेवक हूँ, गुरु चरणों का दास हूँ। नहीं नाथ भुलाना मुझे, इस जग में अकेला हूँ, नहीं नाथ भुलाना मुझे, इस जग में अकेला हूँ, इस जग में अकेला हूँ, इस जग में अकेला हूँ। तेरे द्वार का भिखारी हूँ, नहीं दिल से भुला देना, तेरे द्वार का भिखारी हूँ, नहीं दिल से भुला देना। गुरुदेव कृपा करके मुझको अपना लेना, गुरुदेव कृपा करके मुझको अपना लेना। जय गुरुदेवा, जय गुरुदेवा, जय गुरुदेवा, जय
दुनियास्ते साधु मुखे बोले सर्वजाना, श्री रूपा कृपाया मिले युगल चराना। आहा प्रभु सनातन गौरा परिवारा, सबे मिलने वंचा पूर्ण करो हो हमारा। आहा प्रभु सनातन गौरा परिवारा, सबे मिलने वंचा पूर्ण करो हो हमारा। शिरूपेर कृपा जेनो आमा प्रति होया, से पदा आश्रय जारा से महाशया। शिरूपेर कृपा जेनो आमा प्रति होया, से पदा आश्रय जारा से महाशया। प्रभु लोकनाथ कबे संगे लोया जाबे, शिरूपेर Sirupera pada padme more samatibe enoki oibe mora namasaki gane anugata narotame koribe sasane eno eibe mora namasaki gane anugata narotama koribe sasane Jaya Rupa Goswami Jaya Rupa Goswami Rupa Goswami Prabhu Rupa Goswami Jaya Rupa Goswami Prabhu Rupa Goswami Rupa Goswami Prabhu Rupa Goswami Jaya Vaishnava Thakur Jaya Vaishnava Thakur Vaishnava Thakur Jaya Vaishnava Thakur Bhaje Shri Krishna Jai Krishna 96 Bhaje Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivatari Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jaya Koro More Tuma Vineke Dayalu Jagata Samsare Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jaya Koro More Tuma Vineke Dayalu Jagata Samsare Patita Pavana Hetu Tava Avatara Mosama Patita Prabhu Napai Behara Patita Pavana Hetu Tava Avatara Mosama Patita Prabhu Napai Behara Aha Prabhu Nityananda Premananda Sukhi Kripa Volokana Kolo Ami Borodukhi Prabhu Nityananda Premananda Sukhi Kripa Volokana Kolo Ami Borodukhi Daya Koro Sitapati Advaita Gosai Tava Kripa Bole Pai Chaitanya Nitai Daya Koro Sitapati Advaita Gosai Tava Kripa Bole Pai Chaitanya Nitai Aha Sadhu Sanatana Rupa Raghunatha Bhatta Yuga Sri Jivaha Prabhu Lokanatha Sadhu Sanatana Rupa Raghunatha Bhatta Yuga Sri Jivaha Prabhu Lokanatha Goya Kodo Sri Acharya Prabhu Srinivasa Ramachandra Sangamange Narottamadaasa Goya Kodo Sri Acharya Prabhu Srinivasa Ramachandra Sanda Sangamange Narotamadasa Daya Kudu Prabhupada Shridaita Dasa Vaishnaveda Kripa Mange Yadamadasa Daya Kudu Prabhupada Shridaita Dasa Vaishnaveda Kripa Mange Yadamadasa Daya Kuru Guru Deva Patita Pavana Chicharane Seva Mange Ye Patita Jana Daya Kuru Guru Deva Patita Pavana Chicharane Seva Mange Ye Patita Jana Jaya Sachinandan Jaya Gaura Hari 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 Sapasada Shiva Gaura Hari Jaya Sapasada Jaya Gaura Hari Jaya Sapasada Jaya Gaura Hari Jaya Sapasada Sapat ka मतलब all associates of Mahaprabhu.
Parama Karuna Abduidana Nitai Gaurachandra Parama Karuna
Bahudijana Nitai
Sava Avatara Sarashiro Mani Devana Ananda Kanda Sava
Avatara Sarashiro Mani Kevana Ananda Kanda
Bhajo Bhajo Bhai Chaitanya Nittai Sudrita Vishvasa Kori
Bhajo Bhajo Bhai Chaitanya Nittai Sudhira Vishwasasori
Vishaya Chodiya Selase Majiya Mukte Bolo Hari Hari Vishaya
Chadiya Serase Majiya Mukhe Bolo Hari Hari
Eko Ore Bai Tribhuvane Nai Emonagaya Papa Eko
Devai Tribhuvane Nai
Papa Pasa Paki Jure Pasa Nabitare Pasa Bhakti Jure Pasa Nabitare Suni Sara Gunagata Suni Sara Parama Karuna Abduidana Nittai Gaurachandra Parama Karuna
Bahudijana
Nittai Gaurachandra Avatara Sarashira Gaurachandra Paramakaruna Advaitana Nitai Gaurachandra Jaya Satchinandana Jaya Gaura Hari Satchinandana Jaya Gaura Hari Jaya Satchinandana Jaya Gaura Hari Jaya Satchinandana Jaya Gaura Hari Nitai Hai Gaura Hai Nitai Hai Gaura Hai Nitai Hai Gaura Hai Nitai Hai Gaura Hai Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Nitai Gaura Hari Bol
तू म्हणता आला करे कृष्णा देवा भवन
Naula ka lo chi jay rachuda mangal geetam ko
ऐसे आओ
Hare Krishna Govinda Gopala Nand Dulala Jai Yashoda Dulala Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Radhe Krishna Govinda Gopala Nand Dulala Jaya Yashoda Dulala Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Jaya Jagannath Hare Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Jaya Jagannath Hare Shita Kamala Kucha Mandala Drita Kundala Kamala Kucha Mandala Drita Kundala Kalita Lalita Vanamala Kalita Lalita Vanamala Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Kalita Lalita Vanamala Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Dinamani Mandala Mandana Bhavakhandana Dinamani Mandala Mandana Bhavakhandana Muni Jana Manasanta Muni Jana Manasanta Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Muni Jana Manasanta Jaya Jaya Deva Hare Kahaliya Vishadhar Ranjana Janaranjana मधुमूलधर कविनाशाय करुणासनये मधुमूलधर कविनाशाय करुणासनये सुरकुल तेरी निदान सुरकुल तेरी निदान
she will play.
Yeah, with me. We're gonna do a Hare Krishna one.
Who's gonna hold the mic?
So
You're gonna sing first, and then
she is learning from you, or you are learning from her?
Oh, we might need a mic.
I can hold mic. Just give me 1 second.
Get that mic. Okay. So we're gonna do prayer first, and then we do that. Just so you can sing.
Now Sia is our new generation. We were worried about it on Sunday.
Kapil Bhai, we are bring her Sia.
बहुत बढ़िया.
I can teach more children if they want. Oh wow.
आज छुट्टी है.
घर से काम करता हूँ
हैं?
मैं घर से काम करता हूँ घर से काम करता हूँ मैं
अच्छा. ठीक है. सुनो. Listen carefully. You know, if we train our children in bhakti and Krishna consciousness, this is also a big preaching. Because they are young and they will come up as a good bhakta, very good bhakta. So, if we train our children chanting, singing and understanding philosophy, it helps a lot. Also, if we can manage to go to the children in their school and other places, then it will be a bigger preaching. Then it will be a bigger preaching. धीरे से धीरे सबने बुढ़ा हो जाना है, उम्र बढ़ जानी है. We all have to become old. So who will carry our this heritage? Youngsters have to carry our heritage. लेकिन एक बात है बड़ी स्पष्ट है, जो पिछले जन्मों की सुकृति लेके आता है वही समझ पाता है, भले जवान हो या बच्चा हो या बूढ़ा हो. It all depends upon the sukriti of past life. Sukriti of past life. मीराबाई को बताने में पंडित को देर नहीं लगी थी कि ये कृष्ण है, ये तेरे पति हैं. And she established her relationship with Krishna. No hustle bustle, no why and how. She accepted it. हम रूप गोस्वामी जी की शिक्षा सुन रहे हैं. And here Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying to Rupa Goswami, what he is saying? ब्रह्मांड भ्रमिते कोनो भाग्यवान जीव, गुरु कृष्ण कृपा पाए भक्ति लता बीज. That in this whole universe, we all are भ्रमिते. What do you call it? भ्रमिते. Moving, going round. एक जगह हम स्थिर नहीं रह सकते हैं. What is the range of our भ्रमण? What is the range of our movement? The lowest we go to hellish planet, and highest we go to Brahmaji's planet. Brahmaji, do you know Brahmaji? What does he do?
He created this universe.
He creates this universe. He is the highest personality of this universe. So, each and every living entity Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, he is not saying to ordinary person, he is speaking to Rupa Goswami. To whom he is saying? Rupa Goswami. Rupa Goswami is very near and dearest disciple of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. To whom he is saying, there are innumerable living entities. Now this is very difficult word. Innumerable. Do you understand? I know. The children cannot understand this word. Innumerable means which cannot be counted. So many.
Like infinity.
क्या बोली?
Infinity. Infinity.
Countless.
Countless.
One blade of grass, एक घास का तिनका, is one living entity. One mosquito is one living entity. All germs in our body, each germ is one living entity. Virus and so many things in our body, each virus is one living entity. So many living entities, so many, innumerable, countless living entities. And each living entity is going up and down. Down up to hell and up to ब्रह्मा जी. हम भी ब्रह्मा जी हुए होंगे किसी जमाने में. क्यों जी? ब्रह्मा जी हुए होंगे. This girl would have been a Brahma ji once upon a time. Do you remember? So we are roaming in this Brahman since time immemorial. 1 year, 2 year, no, countless time. कोई पता ही नहीं हम कब से यहाँ घूम रहे हैं. कब तक घूमेंगे? बड़ा important question है. How long we will remain here? Taking birth, dying, taking birth, dying, taking birth and dying. Very, very painful situation. But if anyone has done some sukriti, he has done sukriti, then he will get a seed of bhakti lata. What is lata?
Kripa.
What is lata? You know lata? Creeper. Do you know creeper?
Wine.
Like a plant.
You know, one is tree. Tree goes straight like this. And one is creeper which goes around the tree. Small, and it goes around the tree.
You use that to decorate your food.
That is called creeper. Creeper needs a help to go around. For creeper, we use mosaic. Do you know mosaic? No. मोज़ेक इंग्लिश शब्द ही है मेरे ख्याल में. गमले में एक वो लगा देते हैं ना, घास सा लंबा सा, क्रीपर उसके ऊपर सपोर्ट. तो क्रीपर नीड्स ए सपोर्ट. Creeper cannot go of its own. It needs a support. तो चैतन्य महाप्रभु जी रूप गोस्वामी जी को बता रहे हैं Mahaprabhu ji is telling to Rupa Goswami. कहाँ बतला रहे हैं? Do you know the place? Do you know the place
Triveni Sangam, Prayag.
where Mahaprabhu ji is telling all these things? याद है?
Triveni Sangam, Prayag.
Yeah. He is telling this thing in Prayag. What is Prayag? Prayag is the place where three rivers they meet with each other. Three rivers. Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. And there is a ghat. It is called Ashmed Ghat. And there Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is telling very, very important message. महाप्रभु जी क्यों बतला रहे हैं? महाप्रभु जी क्यों बतला रहे हैं? महाप्रभु जी इसलिए बतला रहे हैं क्योंकि वो कुछ ऐसी चीज देना चाहते थे जो एक कल्प तक नहीं दी गई थी। कौन देना चाहते हैं? महाप्रभु। Mahaprabhu wants to give a thing which was not distributed in the human being since one kalpa. And kalpa means long, 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 long time. So bhakti was given by so many devotees like Narada. Narada gave bhakti to so many devotees. He gave bhakti to Prahlad Maharaj. Narada gave bhakti to Prahlad Maharaj. Narada gave bhakti to Raja Chitraketu and Angira Rishi. Two persons they gave bhakti to whom? Raja Chitraketu. Narada also gave bhakti to
Dhruva.
Valmiki. And Narada also gave bhakti to
Dhruva.
These bhaktis which Narada gave to so many persons was eligible to go to Vaikuntha only. ये भक्ति कहाँ तक के लिए थी?
Vaikuntha.
वैकुंठ के लिए. Do you know Vaikuntha? Have you heard this word? Vaikuntha?
Where Vishnu lives?
क्या क्या दी?
जहाँ विष्णु रहते हैं, विष्णु भगवान रहते हैं.
Yes. Narayan. Who lives there?
Vishnu Bhagwan.
Vishnu Bhagwan or Narayan. The better word is Narayan. Who lives there? Narayan. Is Vaikuntha in this material world, in this universe?
Nope.
Where is it? It is beyond this universe. It is
Beyond this.
beyond. So what happens in the universe? We take birth and die. We take birth and die. But if we go to Vaikuntha, then we will not die. No birth, no death. Very happy life. Very, very happy life. लेकिन हमारे महाप्रभु जी इस हैप्पी लाइफ से सेटिस्फाइड नहीं थे. महाप्रभु वांटेड टू गिव समथिंग मोर देन दिस हैप्पी लाइफ. मोर देन दिस हैप्पी लाइफ. What did he want to give? He wanted to give us Golok Vrindavan. Do you know the difference between Vaikuntha and Golok Vrindavan? Yes. Tell me. Loudly.
Krishna lives in Golok Vrindavan with Radha and the gopis and the Manjaris, and in Vaikuntha, Krishna lives
Vishnu lives or Narayan lives?
Narayan.
and
With?
with the people that with
Who lives with Narayana in Vaikuntha? Lakshmi.
Lakshmi.
Who lives?
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi. And who lives in Golok Vrindavan with Krishna?
Radha.
Radha ji lives. बजाओ तालियां. Very good. आप पढ़ाती हो वैसे?
ये रीडिंग काफी करती है.
हैं?
रीडिंग करती है.
रीडिंग करती है. Always read. Keep on reading. Don't miss it. अनर्पित चरिम चिरात करुणा अवतीर्ण करो समर्पित उन्नत उज्ज्वल रसाम सभक्ति श्रियम हरि पुरट सुंदर दति कदम्ब संदीप्ता सदा हृदय कंदरे सुरतु और शची नंदन. This Shachi Nandan, Gaur Hari, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he wanted to give us the bhakti of Golok Vrindavan. Which bhakti? Golok Vrindavan. Higher than Vaikuntha. Higher than Vaikuntha. Why it is higher than Vaikuntha? Why it is higher than Vaikuntha? Mataji, बोलो. बोलो 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 बोलो. आप तो इसमें रचे बचे हो, आप नहीं बोलोगे तो कौन बोलेगा? बताओ. गोलोक वृंदावन की भक्ति वैकुंठ से ऊंची है, ऐसा क्यों?
Yes, Gopi Prem. Project Prem.
आप बताओ.
Because वो शांत रस में है और ये माधुर्य रस में है.
हैं?
वैकुंठ की भक्ति शांत दास्य रस में है और यहाँ पर माधुर्य रस है. माधुर्य रस के अंदर एनकम्पास्ड है और सब रस.
सारे रस अंदर है.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. You understand why Golok Vrindavan Bhakti is more superior?
No. How to serve Krishna and how to serve Narayan.
I tell you one thing. You remember it always. In Vaikuntha, Krishna in the form of Narayan, he is Supreme God there. Krishna is as Supreme God, Supreme Personality, God. But in Golok Vrindavan, Krishna is not God there. Krishna is not God there. एक चीज ये याद है. Krishna is God, but in Golok Vrindavan he is not. Very strange. How it comes? No. In Golok Vrindavan, Krishna forgets that he is God. Krishna forgets that he is God. How come? Because in Golok Vrindavan, every Brajvasi, those who live there, they treat Krishna as their family member. They don't treat Krishna as God. They treat Krishna as their family. How come? Yashoda and Nanda Baba treats him as their son, not as of Krishna, Sri Ram, Madhu Mangal, they treat him as their friend, not as God. With friends of Braj, with mother, father of Braj, Krishna gets so much love that he forgets that he is God. प्रेम की अधिकता के कारण उनकी भगवत्ता भूली जाती है. He forgets that he is God. Why?
He gets so much love.
क्या बोला इसने?
He gets so much love.
He
He gets so much love.
Yeah, he gets so much love. Why so much? When you become family member, then love is more. You are family member of this house. You get love here. More than love you can get from the neighborhood. Why? Because you are family member of this house. So this is theory. What is the theory? If you become family member, then you get more love. Krishna gets so much love that he forgets his God. And Brajvasis, those who live in Braj, Vrindavan, they love Krishna so much, they don't remember he is God. They don't remember. And more than that, friend of Krishna, mother, father of Krishna, gopis who are living in Braj, they love Krishna more than mother, father of Krishna. Because Krishna is their beloved. Krishna is their very, very, very near and dear friend. Krishna is best friend of gopis. गोपीज और कृष्ण के बीच में जो प्रेम का संबंध है, वो प्रेम का संबंध इतना अद्भुत है, इतना घनिष्ठ है, इतना अपूर्व है, इतना घना है कि उसका कोई भी मैच नहीं है. The love of gopis to Krishna and love of Krishna to gopi is matchless. It is matchless. चैतन्य महाप्रभु ये देने के लिए आए. Mahaprabhu came to give this thing. So Lord Narsingh did not give this thing. Lord Ram did not give this thing. Narayan Vaikuntha also did not give this thing. Dhruv Maharaj, in front of Dhruv Maharaj, Vishnu ji came. Vishnu did not give that thing. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came to give that love of Braj, Vrindavan. So, in order to give that love to each and every person, he is now going to use Rupa Goswami to distribute it. इसको बांटने के लिए वो रूप गोस्वामी जी को क्या बना रहे हैं? माध्यम बना रहे हैं. तो इसलिए रूप गोस्वामी जी को बोलते हैं, अरे भैया, कृष्ण प्रेम अपारापार, उसका कोई पार नहीं है. There is no any limit of Krishna प्रेम. I will give you only one drop of it. तो महाप्रभु जी रूप गोस्वामी जी को कितना दे रहे हैं? एक ड्रॉप दे रहे हैं. और उस ड्रॉप में सारा ब्रज डूब जाएगा. वो लव इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है. ड्रॉप ऑफ लव. नाउ let us come to one very, very major point. What is the cause that we don't do bhakti? हम भक्ति नहीं करते हैं, इसका कारण क्या है? Yes, what do you think? Why don't we do bhakti? आप बताएंगे भक्ति क्यों नहीं होती? आपको कह रहा हूँ, सोफे वाली आप।
We forget Krishna.
हैं?
We forget Krishna. Or we make aparad, offense to Vaishnava.
ठीक है, ये ऊंची बातें हैं, लेकिन
और सेंस एंजॉयमेंट,
हैं?
अपने एंजॉय करने के लिए,
Sense
सेंस एंजॉयमेंट के लिए।
Attached to
The
material things.
main cause that we do not get bhakti is we are busy in our sense gratification. मैं प्रकाश जी के घर में आया. I want to get a room which is cool and should not be hot. What is this? This is sense gratification.
बट वो ठंडा रूम्स के कारण हम अच्छा से भक्ति कर सकते हैं,
हैं?
ऐसे है ना?
Yeah, this is a pretext, but it is a fact. We want sense gratification. Like many Westerners, many Australians, they say it is very difficult to go to India because when we go there, then we fall sick because of weather there, because of pollution there. And Vrindavan is very difficult to live. But what Rupa Goswami, Jeev Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, Gopal Bhatt Goswami, all these Goswamis, they were from very, very well-to-do houses, rich houses. But they gave up everything, and they came to Vrindavan. भक्ति की चाहत, भक्ति की रुकावट, ये एक चीज है. भक्ति की चाहत, भक्ति की रुकावट. But it is not so big. We can compromise, as she said. Oh, I want comfort so that I can do better bhakti. So desire is bhakti. But more important point is that eradicates our bhakti is if we want liberation. अगर हमें मुक्ति चाहिए तो भक्ति बिल्कुल नहीं टिक सकती. ज्ञान कर्म आदि अनावृतम. तो सबसे बड़ी मुश्किल क्या चीज है? मुक्ति की चाहत. Remember one thing very clearly. The nature of soul, आत्मा का गुण, nature of soul is to serve Krishna. And the nature of mukti is don't serve anyone. What is nature of mukti? Don't serve anyone. And what is the nature of soul? To serve Krishna. So those who wants mukti, those who wants liberation, they cannot do bhakti. Why they cannot do bhakti? Because they don't want to serve Krishna. तो कौन भक्ति नहीं कर सकता? ये तीन चीजें ले लो। अन्य अभिलाषिता शून्यम। Those who have many desires except to serve Krishna, they cannot do bhakti. Those who have many desires, or those who have other desire to serve Krishna, they cannot do bhakti. अब क्या करें? घर में बच्चा आ गया, पहले तो बेटा बेटी आए थे, फिर पोता पोती आ गए, तो उनको देखें, उनकी संग प्रेम करें तो भक्ति खत्म हो जाएगी. If we love them, then bhakti will go. क्या किया जाए? What do you think?
Like they become necessary, teaching about Krishna consciousness.
हैं?
Teaching about Krishna consciousness.
अगर हम अपने बच्चों को, if our children or grandchildren, we engage them in bhakti, and that way we love them, then this love is also included in bhakti. तो ये प्रेम किस में आ गया? भक्ति में आ गया. और अगर ऐसा नहीं है, अन्य विलासिता शून्य. I have seen many houses. Parents are vegetarian and they are giving egg to their children ताकि बच्चा जो है वो प्रोटीन मिले. They are giving egg to their children. It is very dangerous. Very dangerous. अब बाहर का जगत तो हमारे को भक्ति से दूर करता है. ये बच्चों को भी दूर करे. जब वो स्कूल जाएंगे, पढ़ेंगे लिखेंगे तो भक्ति से तो दूर जाएंगे, लेकिन कम से कम घर के अंदर माहौल बनना चाहिए भक्ति का. How there will be environment in the house of bhakti if we have this satsang more and more at home. घर में सत्संग करेंगे तो भक्ति बढ़ेगी, ऑटोमेटिकली बढ़ेगी. जैसे ये कह रही है ये लड़की, you read the book, Krishna book. So she knows so many things. She knows Vaikuntha, she knows Golok Vrindavan, she knows Brahma ji. What is the job of Shivji?
The job of Shivji is to destruction.
क्या बोला?
Destruction.
Job of Shivji is to destroy. And what is the job of Vishnu?
To create.
Vishnu.
Job of Brahma ji is to
Create.
create.
Vishnu is
Very good. बोलो. सोचो. Job of Vishnu is to maintain. Brahma ji will create, Vishnu will maintain, and Shiv ji will
destroy.
destroy. So they are three trinities. Brahma ji is one of the living entity. If a living entity is having good karmas, then he becomes not good karma, best karma. If a living entity has best karma, then he becomes
Brahma.
There are many living entities. They can become Brahma. एक मजाक सुन रहा था मैं किसी प्रोग्राम में, कथा में ही चल रहा था. एक ब्रह्मा जी को अभिमान हो गया कि मैं इतनी मेहनत करता हूं, मेरी कोई पूछ ही नहीं है, तो मैं एक काम करता हूं, रिजाइन दे देता हूं। लेट मी रिजाइन फ्रॉम माई पोस्ट, ब्रह्मा पोस्ट। उन्होंने ऐसा डिजायर किया कि लेट मी रिजाइन फ्रॉम ब्रह्मा पोस्ट। Then Vishnu will listen me, my grievances. ऐसा सोच के वो बाहर निकले तो क्या देखा? ब्रह्मा जी देख रहे हैं कि एक लंबी लाइन लगी हुई है हाथियों की, मीलों 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 लंबी लाइन, और हाथी पे कोई बैठे हुए हैं, बड़े सफेद कपड़ों में अच्छे बैठे हुए हैं। तो ब्रह्मा जी ने पूछा, आप कौन हैं, कहाँ जा रहे हैं? बोलते हैं हम वो हैं जो हमने ब्रह्मा जी की पोस्ट पे रिजाइन दे दिया था एक जमाने में। अब हमारी हालत बड़ी खराब हो गई है, लेकिन अभी अभी खबर मिली है कि एक ब्रह्मा जी रिजाइन देने जा रहे हैं, तो हम लाइन में आ गए हैं कि शायद हमें फिर से रख लिया जाएगा, पोस्ट पे रख लिया जाएगा। वी में कम इन द पोस्ट। ब्रह्मा जी ने बाप रे बाप, रिजाइन देने वालों की लाइन इतनी लंबी है जो दुखी हुए बैठे हैं। So there is a very long queue of those Brahmajis who once resigned in their life and they became useless. And when they came to know that this Brahma is desiring to resign, so they came in queue to get that post back. So even to become Brahmaji, there are unlimited number of living entities. जीव बहुत सारे हैं। तो भक्ति की रुकावट में चैतन्य महाप्रभु जी कह रहे हैं सबसे ज्यादा खतरनाक चीज है अन्य अभिलाषिता। अन्य अभिलाषिता, कृष्ण की सेवा के अलावा कोई भी अगर हमारे अंदर अभिलाषा है तो वो खतरनाक है। If we have any desire other than serving Krishna, this is called anya abhilashita. What is this? Anya abhilashita means any desire other than to serve Krishna. You know, I tell you truly, we go in front of mirror to see that how am I looking, good or bad. But if we go to Radha Krishna and we see how Radha Ji is looking, then this is bhakti. So if we are more concerned that how am I looking, then it is anya vilashita. And if we see more that how Radha Ji is looking and how Krishna is looking, how are they dressed up, how are they nicely ornamented, beautified, कितने सुंदर उनका श्रृंगार हुआ है. This desire is Krishna Bhakti. And if I want that how I look like, then it is material desire. So what Vaishnava does? Vaishnava also see the mirror. They also see how do they look like. But they try to wear such clothes and do such things that they should look like a good devotee. Why do they see the mirror? To look like a good devotee. Good dhoti, good chadariya, good clothes and good tilak. Nice tilak. When we have all these things, then they will say he is a very good devotee. भोक्ति mukti, desire of sense gratification and desire of liberation. These are very, very big hindrance in bhakti. कर्मों के बिना हम रह नहीं सकते, ज्ञान के बिना हम रह नहीं सकते। जिस कर्म में हम फल को भोगना चाहें, वो कर्म जो है भक्ति को ढक देते हैं। समझ रहे? जिस कर्म के फल को हम भोगना चाहें, वो कर्म भक्ति को ढक देते हैं। और जिस ज्ञान के द्वारा हम मुक्ति चाहें, वो ज्ञान भी भक्ति को ढक देता है। So karma and jnana, if they are meant for sense gratification, they will cover the bhakti. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying to Rupa Goswami, Anya Vilashita Shunyam Jnana Karam Adya Anavritam, that your bhakti should not be covered by jnana and karma. Your bhakti should not be covered by jnana and karma. So these are the parameters we should take care that our bhakti should not be disturbed. And what is bhakti? What is bhakti? Bhakti है क्या? चल बेटी बता भक्ति क्या है? What is bhakti?
Bhakti is when you have a desire to serve Krishna.
क्या बोला? जोर से बोल.
When you have a desire to serve Krishna, she says.
Bhakti is
When you have a desire to serve Krishna.
very good. Tali. What is bhakti? Anukule Krishna Anushīlanam. To serve Krishna, how to serve Krishna? We should serve Krishna that Krishna should be pleased. Krishna should be happy. We should serve Krishna for the betterment of Krishna. So Mother Yashoda is slapping Krishna. Is it service Krishna?
Yes.
What is it?
That,
Mother Yashoda, she slaps Krishna.
that serves Krishna.
She binds Krishna.
That serves Krishna.
She takes a rod and she chastises Krishna.
That,
Is it bhakti?
yeah.
बताओ, ये भक्ति है?
Is it for the betterment of Krishna?
Yeah.
All those things that she did, is it for
Your
the
mom sometimes chastises you, scolds you. Who scolds you?
Shouts at you.
Papa or mom?
Mama
और
shouts
दादी?
at me.
So does that mean that she is doesn't
आपको क्या बुलाती है?
ba ba
क्या?
Ba.
बा. बा scolds you.
No.
There is no one in this world who can scold you.
mama
Yeah, Mama does.
Mama does.
Mama does.
Very good. She scolds you. Does she love you?
Yes.
Yes, but still scolds you. So sometimes scolding is in love also. Scolding is in
Yeah.
so Mother Yashoda, if she scolds Krishna, that is out of
Love.
love. So if she chastises Krishna, if she shows rod to Krishna, if she says slap to Krishna. I am speaking so long, but I did not make it go live.
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है.
हैं?
You didn't put it on. Recording शुरू नहीं की.
Go live नहीं किया.
Oh,
अब नोट कर रहा हूँ.
I can send you a copy.
Oh, you are recording?
I'm recording.
Keep on recording. No problem.
Make sure.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
recording.
it's working.
Recording. It's live.
Yes, it's live.
Is it catching the voice?
If you on the microphone, I put it over here, but you have to go on close to the mic.
So this is the teaching of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu is telling this definition to Rupa Goswami of Bhakti. And Rupa Goswami has written this definition in Bhakti Rasamrita. What is the definition? Anya Abhilashita Shunyam Jnana Karam Adi Anavritam Anupurnen Krishna Anushīlanam Bhakti Uttama. So there is Bhakti. Dhruv Maharaj was doing Bhakti. But he had a desire, some desire in his heart. Prahlad Maharaj was also doing Bhakti, but he had no any. So his Bhakti was higher than Dhruv Maharaj. Similarly, there was an elephant. His feet was caught by a tortoise. Do you remember?
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Yes, crocodile. Do you remember this pastime? Elephant and crocodile. So once one elephant, very powerful elephant, he went to take bath in a pond, very big pond, ocean-like pond, and there was a magarmach, crocodile. And that crocodile caught his feet. And he was not leaving his feet. He tried his best, level best. Many years they kept on fighting with each other. Crocodile and elephant. Even that, all the kith and kin of relatives of wife and children of elephant, they went away. Because many years fight kept on going on. And then crocodile dragged him into the pond, deep into pond, and he was going to be drowned. Who? Elephant. He was going to be drowned. Then suddenly he remembered his past life. In past life he was devotee of Vishnu. In past life. So what he did, he plucked one lotus flower from the pond and he gave it to Vishnu. Vishnu, take this gift from me and save me. So his offering flower to Krishna was bhakti, but not pure bhakti. Why? That bhakti was to save him. And Krishna, in the form of Vishnu, he hurriedly came there. How much hurriedly? That he did not put on his shoes. He came there barefooted. And he threw his chakra. You know chakra? Yes, that's good. That means you know Hindi, Sanskrit. So by that chakra he cut the head of crocodile. And crocodile was also liberated by the chakra of Vishnu. Crocodile was liberated and elephant also got liberated. This is also bhakti, but not pure bhakti. So what is pure bhakti? The pure bhakti is that bhakti where there is no any adulteration. You know adulteration? What does it mean by adulteration?
It means that you don't have any self desires. Like up.
No self desires.
हैं?
No self desires.
contaminated,
सोना
pure.
सोना प्योर कब कहलाता है? हैं?
जब उसको का
जब सोना 24 कैरेट का होता है ना, तो क्या होता है? प्योर गोल्ड. You know carat? Those ladies who use it, they know it. Gold is pure when it is 24 carat. But when it is 24 carat, you cannot make ornaments from it. It is very
soft
then you need to put some
metal mix some metal.
इसे कहते हैं गड़बड़ी मिलाने को, घटिया चीज मिलाने को, something
Alloy,
Impure.
हैं?
Impure things.
copper.
Some impurity is to be put in the gold, then it becomes from 24 carat to 22 carat. सोना कितना बन जाता है? 22 कैरेट. 22 कैरेट के गहने बनते हैं. So चैतन्य महाप्रभु came to give us gold of 24 carat, not 22 carat. So don't make ornament from it. What to do? Just keep it. This is the pure gold. Pure gold. Shuddha Bhakti. And in his definition, he called it Uttama Bhakti. What is that? So Uttama Bhakti, which should be free from other desires, free from karma and jnana, and then it should be Krishna Anushilanam, then it is Bhakti Anukulen Krishna Anushilanam. So today we will do up to this only, and tomorrow what is the instruction of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu?
Tonight, आज रात को
आज रात को we will discuss it. ठीक है? हरे कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम राम.
रात को आओगे? ये लोग ही आएंगे या और भी कोई आएंगे?
रात को आएंगे.
आप लोग आओगे डबल राउंड? But Hanumanji was able to serve Ram more than Prahlad. So though both bhakti is pure bhakti, but still because of more service, the service of Hanumanji is higher than Narsimha. Understand? More than Hanuman, Pandavas were serving Krishna. You know Pandavas? Pandavas were serving more Krishna than Hanuman. How much? That Arjun and Krishna were eating on the same bed, sitting on the same bed. They were friends each other. So whenever there is more service, then pure bhakti also increases more and more. In Braj, the Brajvasis serve Krishna more than Hanuman, more than Pandava also. Where? In Vrindavan. Krishna Sakha. How do they serve? They serve by climbing on Krishna. They serve him. This is the service. कृष्ण के कंधे पे चढ़ जाना, ये क्या है? Service. And giving their remnant to Krishna, that is service. They were doing. So high service they were doing. So much nice service they were doing to Krishna. So their bhakti is more high and more high than Prahlad Maharaj, than Hanuman, than Pandava. Though their bhakti is also which bhakti?
Pure bhakti.
Pure bhakti. Because they don't have any desire of sense gratification. Prahlad ji don't have any desire of sense gratification. Hanuman ji also don't have any desire of sense gratification. Pandavas also have no any desire of sense gratification. They all are loving Krishna, Ram, Prahlad. But as regard amount of service, the service is Hanuman is more than Prahlad, so his bhakti is higher. And service of Pandava is more than Hanuman, so their service is higher than Hanuman. And service of friends of Krishna in Vrindavan is more than Arjun and Pandava, so their bhakti is more higher. And service is Mata Yashoda and Nanda Baba is too high, too high. When Krishna, he went with Putana, Putana ran away and she flew. Krishna also went with Putana. Why? Krishna was sucking the breast milk of Putana. You know Putana? Then Mother Yashoda became fainted because her love is so high. Then one lady, she brought Krishna from Putana and gave it in the lap of Mother Yashoda. Then Mother Yashoda came in consciousness. My son, my son. She loves him as son. And similarly, the love of gopis is more high. The highest love of gopis, among gopis also of Radharani. So Radharani loves Krishna most. So we are touching the love of Radharani in our bhakti which Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving us. ठीक है?